Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about the truck sequencing plan and all of the key aspects to consider for the pour. So here are the 5 steps to consider for the truck sequencing plan. Number 1, you're going to want to ensure that all of your trades are aware of the defined pour break. The pour break will be defined in conjunction with the structural engineer and the formwork concrete trade. Once that's been defined, all of your trades will know where all of the individual pour breaks are and all of the key components that they must do for that specific pour break. Number 2, you will want to do a rough takeoff with an estimating software such as PLANSWIFT that I use. Once that estimate has been done, you can pre-book your quantity of concrete with the plant in advance. Once the bulkheads have been established by the formwork trade, then you'll be able to get some direct measurements for the lengths and widths of the pour break. Once that's done, you'll have to break it down even more, the pour, into all of its key components such as the slab, stairs, and the balconies. So once you've been able to calculate the volume for the slab area, balcony area, and for the stairs, you will finally want to confirm with the foreman or forewoman of all of the trades to see where we will start the concrete pour. Depending on the status of the electrician's conduit lines, mechanical sleeving, that will kind of dictate where we're going to start our pour. Once that's been confirmed, then you can write out your truck sequencing plan, which you will be distributing to the concrete plant, and that way you will be receiving your concrete as planned. On my project site, to help ensure that we're able to pour 45 cubic meters per hour, we are using a concrete boom truck to assist in placing the concrete. So once the pour break has been defined, I will do an initial rough estimate using PLANSWIFT. Using PLANSWIFT, I'll get the areas for the balconies and the slab areas, and then multiply those areas by the thickness of those components. For the stairs, I like to use a stair concrete estimation tool that I have, which uses the amount of steps, the dimensions for the run riser, the width of the stair, and then I'll just do basic calculations for the landing, and that way I'll be able to get a volume for the stairs. Again, this is just a rough estimate. Once the bulkheads have been established, I will then go and get a hard number for the width and the length for the overall slab area, and then adjust my areas highlighted in PLANSWIFT to suit, and that way my estimation number is more accurate and can be used to order the concrete. And then on this plan, I've broken them out into all of their important areas, and as we are pouring the concrete, I like to supervise the pour on site and just ensuring as we hit those certain areas that the volume poured coincides with that, and if we need to make an adjustment towards the end, we have the time to do it. So once you've been able to fine-tune your concrete estimate, you're going to then want to send your truck sequencing plan to the concrete plant. You're going to want to let them know your start time, your pour rate, and any specific note. In this case, we let the plant know that we want all concrete to be level 2 accelerator. The exception is for the stairs, which we will only want a level 1 accelerator. So in this pour break, we started from the east and then worked ourselves clockwise. So we started with the balcony. We ordered 5.5 meters cube of the mixed design required with the level 2 accelerator. After that, it's the slab, mixed design, volume. Then it's the stairs, volume. with a specified slump and a required accelerator, and then also to introduce a 20-minute break before loading the next truck. Very important, to have all of these key notes in your pour so that everything flows smoothly. So once all of the volumes have been confirmed, now you can see how this all ties in, where we says start in the top right corner with the balconies, the 36 meters cube of the slab, and how we progressively come to the end where it'll just be the balance of the slab. So this is how everything is interconnected. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Comment, like, subscribe.